It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on black and golden crosses, long-term moving average crossovers that make huge predictions. In this video, you'll learn what black and golden crosses are, what makes them significant, and you'll learn how accurate they've been at predicting major long-term movements in stock prices over the past several years. Let's begin. For starters, let's look at the black cross. The term was in the news a lot a few months ago, and for good reason. The market experienced one. It happened in early July when the S&P 500's 50-day moving average fell below its 200-day moving average. This is the definition of a black cross, or sometimes known as a death cross. But what does it really mean, and why all the fuss? There have been 5 black crosses in the past 11 years, as displayed on this chart. Black cross number 1 certainly earned the name Death Cross for anyone long the market. It took place on November 9 with the S&P 500 at around 1400. By the time the moving averages crossed over again, the S&P was at 910, 35% lower. At points 2 and 3 on this chart, the 50 and 200-day moving averages quickly crossed back. You could say that the black cross wasn't accurate, but even if you shorted the market at the point of the black cross and covered when the 50-day surpassed the 200-day, your losses would have been minimal. Next, we have point 4, which took place in late 2007, when the S&P 500 was just under 1500. By the time the moving averages crossed back, the S&P had fallen more than 40% to 896. Now here's a look at the most recent black cross, which took place in early July. As you can see, the market is up significantly since the crossover, over 12.5% in fact. In fact, the market looks like it may soon experience the inverse of a black crossover, a golden crossover, which is when the S&P 500's 50-day moving average pierces up and through its 200-day moving average. And here's the thing. Despite all the bearish fundamentals and technicals that plague the market and the economy, golden crosses have been even more accurate in predicting bull markets than black crosses have been at predicting bear markets. As shown here, all 4 golden crosses, marked A, B, C, and D, that have taken place over the past 11 years have predicted huge gains, whereas 2 of the 4 black crosses that have played out have resulted in small losses. This does not mean that another golden cross would definitely predict a bull market going forward, as past performance is not a guarantee of future results. But stacked against all of the bearish predictions that have been proven wrong over the past year, a golden cross would be further evidence to suggest the market's bullishness is for real. So to recap, a black cross takes place when the S&P 500's 50-day moving average falls below its 200-day moving average. A golden cross takes place when its 50-day moving average pierces up and through its 200-day. There have been 5 black crosses in the past 11 years. 2 have resulted in massive losses for the market, 2 have resulted in mild gains, and 1 is still playing out. There have been 4 golden crosses in the past 11 years, and all 4 have resulted in large gains for the market. There may be a golden cross on the horizon, but it's important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thanks for watching and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Bacchus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit TradingTips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting TradingTips.com.